Today is my first STEM. I actually got to work travel, which means I'm gonna take out window from different stores, pack it all up, ship it to the location, our main location in Hay Street. So we pack everything and ship it there, and then have to travel from the location that I am at to Hay Street, and then I'm gonna unpack everything again. It's a lot of work, hella work. I don't understand how other visual merchandising have to deal with it, but consider now that not many people, they do a lot of good display. They only just have like, you know, a backdrop picture and then that's it. So kudos to all the amazing visual merchandisers that have amazing display, window display, and shout out to you. Woo! Anyway, I'm on the way back to the main locations. It was a lot of work. I just realized I'm hella weak. I need a lot of strength and a lot of workout, but it's kind of fun to play. Well, I mean, I'm still like new, so I don't get to play with the window yet, but you know, to know which go where and what stuff's going what beans and everything, it's kind of like learning. And everybody in my store helping me a lot. All my team was really helpful. It's just we don't have enough people, so it's a lot of work, but we'll make it happen. So I will see you in the next update. It's delicious, and you have a good day.